we are looking at Lament for a Good King, bars 14 to 16. So bar 14, it's a fifth in the right hand, F and C. And then after that, we have a rhythm that is blue, yellow, blue, blue, or crotchet, 2 quavers beamed together, and then another 2 crotchets. Blue, yellow, blue, blue, sh, sh. Okay, so the fifth first, we're going to put a third finger of the right hand on the F above middle C, miss 3 strings, thumb goes on C, so that's your fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that chord or harmonic interval is going to last for 3 counts, and then we are going to tap our rhythm onto the soundboard. So you can either use your fingers, sort of like this, or you can use your knuckles, and obviously you don't want to do it too hard, but it's quite a nice little effect. Okay, so I will play you this section. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And once more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,